So now let's take a look at the chorus. I'll play it through for you first of all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chorus is a nice contrast to that very kind of open, arpeggiated sound of the verse. And here we're just using a series of power chords with a very tight down stroke, sort of powerful, driven eighth note rhythm. We're playing an A5. Okay, so that's for one bar. Then we drop down to the D5. And then we're changing to the E5 on the upbeat or the offbeat. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So it's down, 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 down. Okay, for the next part, we're going to drop down to the F sharp 5. We're going to play a full bar. Up to the D5. F sharp 5. D5, F sharp 5, and then finally D5 again. Okay, so really work on the picking being nice and focused and concentrated on just the two strings that you are fretting, and really work on the dynamics and the tightness of this section in contrast to that very open, angular and sort of slightly unresolved flavour of the chord arpeggios heard in the verse.